Hey everybody, Kentucky Bob here. In this video we'll be doing a review of the AimSports Sub-Compact Flashlight. Now I originally bought this for my SIG P250 Sub-Compact, which was my home defense pistol at the time, and I sold it and bought a SIG P229 and bought a different flashlight for it. But I kept this, and because it's a really good flashlight, a great buy for the money, a really good value for the money. They sell on Amazon for about $30. We'll go over the features of it. It's 150 lumens output. It uses a CR2 battery. You can see the end just screws off. It's got an O-ring to seal it. I still have the original battery that it came with. It's 2.5 inches long. It's really light. It weighs about 2.5 ounces. It's made of aircraft grade aluminum. It has a push button on off switch right there. And that's all it does. It doesn't strobe or anything, which I could have got one that did, but I didn't see a need for that function. It has a Weaver style spring loaded quick release. And it's got a really strong spring in it, which is good. You don't want this coming loose or coming off. And it'll fit most subcompact pistols with a Weaver style accessory rail. Okay, so as you can see, this little light gives off plenty of light. It even you can even see the sight real good. So just a little demonstration to show you how good it works. So since I sold my SIG P250, I figured, well, it's a good flashlight, a good value for the money, so why not put it to use? So I use it on my Stoeger Double Defense 20 gauge double barrel shotgun, which, as you can see, it has a rail on the bottom, and it just slides on really easy, and it holds really sturdy. I fired about 20 shots through this shotgun already, and it had no effect on the flashlight. Still works good. The quick release still works good. And so for those of you on a budget, I think this little flashlight would be a great buy for you. Like I said, $30 on Amazon, you can't beat it. So there you go, AimSports Sub-Compact Flashlight. Well, we'll talk to you later, and remember, don't let your meat loaf and don't let your Wiener schnitzel.